Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, it seems like Umusa is still proving to Umatele ukuthi listen, even at his old age, ipeni lakhe lisebenza kahle, because uMakwela is rumored to have given birth to a second child. Listen guys, when we speak about people who understand the assignment, sikhuluma ngabo Makwela. Her first child is not even a year old, and apparently she's welcoming her second child. Vele uzele lokho kwamselebu guys, ingathi this wish and desire kaMusa to have 20 kids engathi izohlangana guys. I mean, ngiyamthemba uMakwela. Imagine pregnancy tolls or takes a toll so much on woman's body. You know what? Ngiyamvuma to be welcoming a second child so soon. Now, there was a time she did post on her Instagram stories, ukuthi, guys, is it too early to say that I want a sibling for my child? Now, guys, I am foreseeing something. I really hope that season 9, they don't center the whole season around the second pregnancy, because they just might do that. Listen, guys, Siphila is Hollywood. If you are a public figure and you are known by people, you cannot live in peace. I get pregnancy, I understand that, because you can't hide it. I always thought abantu basemakhaya, abahlala emakhaya, yibona abasafe, because people are not abantu bayazithanda indaba. But I didn't think they would go to an extent of sending information to a blogger like Abo Musa Kaula, because uMakwela, does she not stay emakhaya? If it is true, guys, siyamhalalisela uMakwela. Someone was saying ukuthi uyakhwela lo tata. Listen, uMakwela, guys, maybe that's why umamkhulu emthanda kangaka, because uzele umsebenzi la kwamseleku. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.